guys, my name is Aishwarya. Today we are making Diwali lamp. So now I will tell you how to make Diwali lamp. So now I will tell these materials that we will use in this Akash lamp. So now I will tell what things we want in Diwali lamp. So it is not costly. So now I will tell. We want 3 papers, any size anything you want, paper, any color that you want in paper. So I take these 3 colors of papers. So now I will tell which thing you want. So first we want one scale, one stapler and some diamonds and these glitter pens and one pencil and one sellotape that we want in decorate, and we want one glue and two glitter glues. So now I will tell how to make. So first we want this green paper, we want to fold in rectangle size. So then we want to mark one line. We want to mark the line. And then we want to cut it. This one is cut. So now we will cut. So this is cut, and now we want to erase this lamp. So now we will open it. So there we open. So now we want to stick it. So now we will use glue. Now we want to stick it. So now it is stick properly. Glue another side. So now we will stick it. So now it is stick. So now we will take it and fold. So now we will fold. We will fold and stick. So now we will take stapler. Take decorate sellotape. put the decoration. Put sellotape again. Other side. So then we put the sellotape here and so now we will make down. So now it is fold. So this way. We want to easily cut it. So now I am folding. And we will fold it and then we want to cut. So then we will cut. We have cut it, so now we will open. So now there are on. We will staple. Then we will put glue. Make this Akash Kandil. So now we will decorate. So Akash Kandil is complete. So now only we want to decorate. We want to take little pens. Now it is complete. So now we can also take glitter pens to decorate. Thank you so much.